and welcome back. Today I have the one more earbuds. I'm actually super excited about these guys. They always have some good stuff. This is One More Fit SE Open Earbuds S30. So if you guys are brand new to the channel, consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Try to get you guys here all the latest and greatest stuff, and I hope you guys are looking forward to stuff like this from One More, because they always come up with some pretty amazing stuff. So let's go ahead and open this guy up and see what we get. All right, so just opening this guy up right here, you're gonna get, though, the first thing is you get the package right there. So pretty nice. I really like how light this feels. I like the One More logo right up there. You do have USB-C charged in the back. And then when you open them up, ooh, this is nice. Look at that. So I was actually able to talk to these guys at CES, and I was able to just mess around with it, and it's pretty good. So before we actually look at this one, let's go ahead and pop open the rest of this stuff. Now, right here, there is some instructions, and it says, take out the earbuds, peel away the protected film. So this is standard, so I'll show you guys that in a minute. And then inside the box, you will get a few extra things here. So you do get a little user guide right there. You will also get a little QR code for technical support if you need it. And then at the very bottom here, you will get a cable. And again, this is just going to be a standard USB-C. And it looks like that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and open these guys. So I gotta say, just looking at this thing is amazing. It's pretty cool. I just love how compact it is in the protective case. Just great stuff there. When you open it up, again, some really good earbuds. Just the quality looks amazing. So when it does say about the protective film, there is a piece of plastic right here. All you got to do is just take this off, and you're going to see another piece of plastic here. You want to take that off also, and that will expose the two metal prongs right there. So all you do are the two magnetic pieces. So you do see the two prongs right there, and then this piece you just put it right back in, and then it's going to start it pretty much like activates the charge and stuff like that. So pretty simple. Just take it off. We'll do the same thing on the other side, and then once you do, just put it on. Now once you do put it on, there is a little, it's probably kind of hard to see, but there's a white blinking light right there, just white, and it's just flashing back and forth. Typically what I do is I put it back in here, and I should be set. So the green light was flashing right here saying that they're charging. So let's go ahead and pull these out. And yeah, you'll see here as I'm opening them up, you'll see the white dots. So that's when you know they're synced. Okay, so very simple. We're gonna go ahead and put these on. And now, because there isn't an actual earbud that goes in, it just kind of sits flush. So pretty different and just interesting how it works. They're not bone conduction where they sit outside your ear, but if you see it, that's how it sits in, just like that. So pretty easy. Okay, now that we have that done, we have them on here, we're gonna go to the phone. Now with the phone, all you gotta do is just turn on your Bluetooth, and you wanna go to, sometimes you have to just search details. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit details here, and just scroll all the way to the bottom. This is pretty much standard. And what you want to look for is the one that's called One More Fit SE. So One More Fit SE. So we're going to click on this, give it a second. It's going to say it's pairing. And you're going to see a little sign here that says, do you want to pair? Just hit pair. And it just made a sound. So pretty nice. Now I could actually control the volume on this thing. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to search on YouTube for a song called How's It Supposed to Feel? By Nefex, and this is just one of the copywritten free songs that I typically use for my YouTube videos. So yeah, let's check this one out. So here we go. There is the song right there, and I'm gonna take one earbud in so that way you can actually hear it, but it sounds incredible right now. Yeah, it's pretty good. The sound quality on this thing is just so clear and clean. All the voicing and everything just sounds really crisp and just pretty amazing. Now, if I do have this thing blasting, and if I take these earbuds out, you could kind of hear it. I don't know if you can hear it from here. It's kind of there, and if I'm on a plane and if I have these blasting super loud, people might hear it around me, but it's actually not that bad. It's pretty good. Most people are not going to have this blasting like super loud, but you definitely do hear it. Here it is again. Now, when you do have them on, if you tap it twice, it pauses the music. And then just going through the functions here, so it doesn't look like there's going to be a volume function here, but just going through it here says if there's a phone call that comes in, you double tap to answer or end a phone call. To decline, just press and hold. And what it is, it's right in the middle where you'll see the one more. Just right in the middle, that's where you want to click. So if I were to get a phone call, double tap, I could answer it or hang up. If I want to decline, just press and hold. If I want to do voice control on cell phone, tap 3 times when Bluetooth is on and not on a phone call. So it's just 1, 2, 3. And then if it's Siri or Bixby or whatever it is, mine just turned on the Bixby. Double tap, again, would just be the music to play. Pretty nice, and I believe it's going to be on both sides. Yeah, both sides works perfectly, so tap anywhere. Again, I don't see a volume selection. So it says here, after reading it says to change a song or control volume, please set up the One More Music app. So just go to the App Store, get the One More Music app, or operate on paired mobile phones or devices. So pretty much manually control it when it comes to just messing with the audio. Just move it up or down on your phone and you should be fine. But as far as the settings go, it's pretty simple. Double tap, triple tap, and it does its thing. It says 30 hours of total playtime, 10 hours on the earbuds, 14.2 DLC dynamic driver, and then bass boost algorithm. So the bass sounded really good. The treble sounded really, really good. If you do come to the Play Store and you go to the One More Music app, it's pretty simple. It's going to look like that. That is your One More Music app, and then you just install it and then just open the app. Now, when you do open the stuff like this, you're going to get something that says allow. So just hit allow on the app, and then it's going to say product color. Mine's the black one. I don't know why the color matters. I guess if you have different ones. But it kind of gives you like a quick guide of how to set them on. So you just kind of go through the steps. Default, play, pause, hang up, and then complete. Now from here, this is some of the really cool settings that I absolutely like. If you do have something like this, you have your custom settings. You have your equalizer. Equalizer is pretty good because you can customize it exactly how you want with your treble or your bass. And then it also even has a firmware update, OTA firmware update. So this is how you could set that up. So that's pretty nice. Now what's interesting here, it even has some kind of soothing sounds. And if you just click on that, it'll sound either rain, then you could change it to fire. You could change it to different stuff there, so that's pretty nice there. The cool thing about the app too, it tells you each earbud how much battery life each one has. So they both say 100%. The case says 90%. Yeah, that's actually pretty nice. For the custom settings, you could actually control the custom settings. On the double tap, it does the play pause. Triple tap, it does voice control. So for me, I don't use the Bixby, so I would do triple tap something else. This is where you could set up going either forward or backwards. So if I have both earbuds in, if I'm just like, if I click on my right side, I want it to go forward, I could actually change it. Instead of voice control, I can go to next track. Or if I click on the other one on the right side, then I can go previous track. That's pretty nice. If I don't want to worry about previous track, if I just want to skip to the next track and be like, no, I don't want to go backwards, you could actually change it. So I could do, and again, I'm just gonna mess with this a little bit just to do it. So right now I have it set up triple tap pause play on the left, triple tap on the right to go next. I could also change for the volume to go up or to go down. So there it is. If I triple tap on the left, or if I double tap on the left, volume goes up. Double tap on the right, volume comes down. So that's a very, very nice feature how you can do that. And then you could reset it, customize it however you want, which is pretty great. So it's only going to be double tap or triple tap. and you could mix match however you want. Very, very cool. If you hit reset, it's just going to reset the whole thing. And then if you need to reset the entire thing, you just pull this up, put it back in here. And then what you do is there is a button right next to the charging. You just want to hold that for a few seconds, and then now it's going to reset itself. It pretty much wipes itself out. So it's pretty neat. I highly recommend this stuff. This would be really good for when you're traveling, you're working out, or if you're just at your desk doing some work. This is actually a very, very nice earbuds, and they're not really earbuds. They just fit. They're open earbuds is what they are. They're just really nice and comfortable, and the sound, like, there's so many things that you can do when it comes to customizing the equalizer, like whatever you want, your peaks and stuff. Pretty good product. If you guys are interested in this one, check the description below. I will leave a link to this one. This is great. Shoot me an email, rohasentertainment@gmail.com. Try to get you guys here all the latest and greatest. With all that being said, you guys take care of each other. See you guys in the next one.